Hi friends, I'm Jennifer. If you want to make high quality products, you got to have top-notch equipment. Follow me, let's take a round of our front gear. Take a look at our fan of injection molding machine, from 100 to 150 tons, all of them with automatic robotic arms. All of them are new equipment with production. Check out this one. It's our fully automatic stamping workshop. Machines range 25 to 80 pounds. Production all kinds of more precision and large hardware structures, all fully automatic loading. It's mainly for making wire terminals and components, stuff like brass, philosopher bronze, and beryllium copper, or using stamping techniques. More than 100 sets of fully intelligent visual inspection machines using Panasonic camera, clear and efficient detection, no blind area. The wire harness workshop has vertical molding machine, automatic terminal printing machine, automatic wire harness assembly machine, automatic soldering machine, automatic dispensing machine, airtight and waterproof tester machine, which can carry out electrical, airtight and waterproof mechanical performance test to ensure high standard precision of wire harness production. Here we have over 200 assembly and packaging automatic connectors, all developed by our company Conra. Each year, 20% of our equipment will upgrade and improved by our R&D. This increase product yield and reduce production costs. Our Kansas Standard Laboratory is equipped with more than 60 sets of testing equipment for electrical, mechanical, and environment simulation, environment protection test. This is automatic plug testing machine, salty spray testing machine, constant temperature and humidity testing machine, film thickness testing machine, which is perfect means performance test and verification of the product's needs. Are you looking for a reliable and professional connector manufacturer partner? Welcome to us and looking forward to your partnership.